What's going on, guys? Brady here, back with some more Codecademy, and we're learning some JavaScript. We did exercises 1 through 4, so we're going to continue on now. Variables, mathematical assignment operators. Let's consider how we can use variables and math operators to calculate new values and assign them to a variable. Check out the example below. Let w equal 4, w equals w plus 1. Console.log w. So it's trying to output w, which is w 4 plus 1. So that's 5. So I get that. In the example above, we created the variable w with the number 4 assigned to it. The following line, w equals w plus 1, increases the value of w from 4 to 5. Another way we could have reassigned w after performing some mathematical operation on it is to use built-in mathematical assignment operators. We could rewrite the code above to be let w equal 4, w plus equals 1. Okay, so something we learned earlier in the Odin project video, this is making that make sense. So if you guys are wondering why I'm kind of jumping around to different programs, this makes more sense than what I was reading before. In the second example, we use the plus equal assignment operator to reassign w. We're performing the mathematical operation of the first operator plus using the number to the right, then assigning w to the computed value. We also have access to other mathematical assignment operators, minus and equals, times and equals, and slash and equals, which work in similar fashion. Let's practice using these mathematical assignment operators. Use the plus equal mathematical assignment operator to increase the value stored in level up by 5. Okay, so use the plus equals mathematical assignment to increase the value stored in level up by 5. So right now level up is 10. So level up plus equals 10, I think. Oh no, by 5. Alright, let's see if that did it. Yes! The value of level up is 15, the value of power level. Okay, so the value of level up was 10. We did this. It's now 15. All right, use the minus equals mathematical assignment operator to decrease the value stored in power level by 100. So we're going to do power level, and then we're going to do the minus equals decrease it by 100. So right now power level is 9,001, and this is going to make it 8,901. Okay. Use the times equals mathematical assignment operator to multiply the value stored in multiply me times equals 11. Okay, so multiply me was 32, now it's 352. This is making so much more sense. I'm glad that I found this course. Use the divide equals mathematical assignment operator to divide the value stored in quarter me by 4. So quarter me slash equals 4. Run. Alright, so it was 1152 and now it's 288. So this is making a ton more sense to me. I hope it is to you guys as well. Alright, the increment and decrement operator. Other mathematical assignment operators include the increment operator plus plus and decrement operator minus minus. The increment operator will increase the value of the variable by 1. The decrement operator will decrease the value of the variable by 1. For example, let a equal 10. A plus plus makes it 11. Let b minus minus, that should be 19. Just like the previous mathematical assignment operators, the variable's value is updated and assigned as the new value of that variable. Using the increment operator, increase the value of gained dollar. So gained dollar hold on, let gained dollar plus plus. Let's try to do the second one at the same time. Lost dollar minus minus. Run. Okay, so gained dollar worked. Lost dollar also worked. All right, this is good. All right, string concatenation with variables. And I don't know why I have such a hard time with that word. In previous exercise, we assigned strings to variables. Now let's go over how to connect or concatenate strings and variables. The plus operator can be used to combine two string values, even if those values are being stored in variables. Let my pet equal armadillo, console.log, I own a pet, armadillo. Alright. In the example above, we assign the value armadillo to the myPet variable. On the second line, the plus operator is used to combine three strings, I own a pet. The value is saved to myPet and dot. We log the result of this concatenation to the console as I own a pet armadillo. Create a variable named favorite animal, so let favorite animal equal to your favorite animal. So I'm going to say elephant. Okay? Run. Use console.log to print my favorite animal. My favorite animal to the console. I don't think that's right. My favorite animal. Use string concatenation so that the animal is replaced with the value in your favorite animal variable. So if we do it like this, then it should be my favorite animal, and then we should do plus favorite animal plus, I have a feeling this isn't right, but hopefully it is. We'll see. My favorite animal, elephant. Did you concatenate and / combine your favorite animal variable with a string using the plus operator? I think I did. Elephant. Console.log, I own a pet. Console.log to print my favorite animal. Use string concatenation so the animal is replaced with the value in your favorite animal variable. So this should have been animal let's get a hint. Use the plus operator to concatenate my favorite animal and the value of favorite animal. Well, that's what I did. I thought. Oh, no. So, const add in equals world animal should this be all capitals? Const add in animal console.log my favorite animal plus animal. Your code is causing a reference error. Double check the spelling of your variables. Animal, animal, animal. Console.log my favorite animal plus animal. Const add in equals animal. Console.log my favorite animal. Oh, wait, no, that's right. Or does this need to be elephant? No. I don't want to be a solution yet. I own a pet. My favorite let favorite animal equal elephant. Console.log my favorite animal animal. Const add in use console.log to print my favorite animal to the console. Use string concatenation so the animal is replaced with the value in your favorite animal variable. This should be animal. There we go. Alright, did you concatenate / combine your favorite animal variable with a string using the plus operator? Const animal equals elephant. I think this needs to be favorite animal. No? Favorite animal. There we go. Something's still wrong though. It's posting it, but let's just be the solution. Alright, so they did let favorite animal equal giraffe. Okay. Console.log my favorite animal plus favorite animal. So why didn't they do 1, 2, 3? That's what was confusing me. I thought that's what I did. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. I thought that I did this. So my favorite animal plus favorite animal I thought I did that from the get-go. And then this messed me up. Alright, let's just move on. String interpolation. In the ES6 version of JavaScript, we can insert or interpolate variables into strings using template literals. Check out the following example where a template literal is used to log strings together. Const my pet armadillo, console log I own a pet armadillo, output I own a pet armadillo. A template literal is wrapped by backticks. This key usually is located on the top of your keyboard left of the one key. Inside the template literal, you'll see a placeholder. The value of my pet is inserted into the template literal. When we interpolate I own a pet, the output we print is the string I own a pet armadillo. One of the biggest benefits to using template literals is the readability of the code. Using template literals, you can more easily tell what the new string will be. You also don't have to worry about escaping double quotes or single quotes. Alright, so we're going to do var my name equals, we're going to do Britter. Okay. I think this needs to be like this. My name, Britter. Alright, create a variable called my city and assign it your favorite city's name. I'm just going to say, I don't really have a favorite city per se. I'm just going to say New York. Use a single template literal to interpolate your variables into the sentence below. Use console.log to print your sentence to the console in the following format. My name is is that right? My name my favorite city is city. For some reason, I don't think that's right. I own a pet. My name. My name is Britter. My favorite city is New York. Okay, we did it. Next, type of operator. While writing code, it can be useful to keep track of the data types of the variables in your program. If you need to check the data type of a variable's value, you can use the type of operator. The type of operator checks the variable to its right and returns or passes back a string of the data type. Let's break down the first example. Since the value unknown 1 is foo, a string type of unknown 1 will return string. Constant unknown 1 equals foo. So it will return foo. I'm not sure. So use console.log to print the type of new variable. So type of new variable. So it actually returns string, literally. I don't know how that's, I don't see how that's useful, but I don't know anything, so. Great, now let's check what happens if we reassign the variable below the console, reassign new variable to 1. New variable equals 1. Since you assign this new value to new variable, it has a new type. On the line below your reassignment, use console.log to print type of new variable again. Oh my gosh. Type of new variable. Run. Number. Oh, I see. It's just telling literally the type of whatever the variable is. So this is a number, this is a string. Got it. That makes sense. I was confused for a second. Alright. 10 of 10. Review variables. Nice work. This lesson introduced you to variables, a powerful concept you will use in all your future programming endeavors. Let's review what we learned. Variables hold reusable data in a program and associate with a name. Variables are stored in memory. The var keyword is used in pre-ES6 versions of JavaScript. Let is the preferred way to declare a variable when it can be reassigned, and const is the preferred way to declare a variable with a constant value. Variables that have not been initialized store the primitive data type undefined. Mathematical assignment operators make it easy to calculate a new value and assign it to the same variable. The plus operator is used to concatenate strings, including string values held in variables. In ES6, template literals use backticks and $sign to interpolate values into a string. The typeof keyword returns the data type as a string of a value. To learn more about variables, take on these challenges. Create variables and manipulate the values. Check what happens when you try concatenating strings using variables of different data types. Interpolate multiple variables into a string. See what happens when you console.log on variables declared by different keywords, console.var, before they're defined. For example, console.log test1, const test1, figuring out quirks. Let's just try that one really quick. Console.log test1, const test1 equals figuring out quirks. So I think it's going to say, oh, doesn't work. Did I do that right? Console.log test1 const test1 equals figuring out quirks. Test1 is not defined. Oh. Console.log test1 const test1 equals figuring out quirks. I don't understand why that doesn't do anything at all. Or is this the whole thing? Test1 is not defined. Oh, I think that was the whole point. Because it wasn't defined beforehand. So what if we switch it to after figuring out quirks? Yep, okay. They're just trying to trick me. Alright guys, so that was 1 through 10. Let's see what's up next. Okay, we're not going to do this right now. We're going to learn for fun. Continue. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here. We did exercises 4 through 10, and it looks like in the next episode we're going to be building something. So you guys, let me know if you're still liking these, or if you don't like them and you just want me to go back to the Odin project, or whatever the case may be. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.